Do you recognize this color? Because I do. I bought a desk. I've been living here with my boyfriend since February and we're both university students, and for some reason we don't have a desk to work on. So my third year as a linguistics student almost starts, and for some reason I'm feeling really motivated, and a few days ago I was like, we need a desk. I don't know how I've been surviving these last like 6 months without having a desk to work at, but well, actually I do. We just sat on the couch in the living room. Not the ideal workspace. Anyway, today we're gonna build an IKEA desk. I have experience though with IKEA building. I've built my own. I've been building IKEA stuff for years, so to be honest, I'm feeling quite confident. So let's do this. I'm just thinking like maybe I should put down a blanket so that my floor won't be ruined. Also, just don't judge the outfit please, and the whole look, and the socks especially. You just, you know, when you're building IKEA stuff, you just need to wear something comfortable so you can like move, you know? It's like an intense workout. So also my hair is not really dry yet from the shower, so that fits with the whole like I don't have my life together look. Okay. Ooh, it's bubble wrap. Blue bubble wrap. Oh my god, amazing. I don't know why I did that, that was weird. Now, this thing was wrapped up in plastic, and there's another layer of plastic because the planet. By the way, a little update. Like I said, my new uni year is almost starting, and I'm feeling very, very motivated, and I'm very looking forward to, you know, new subjects, doing new minor, and I thought I want to make more study-related videos. So maybe like study with me's and how to stay motivated, how to revise, day in the lives of a uni student, I don't know, stuff like that. I hope you're gonna like it. That's my plan for this channel. But I also will be just making the videos that I was always making. I don't know, I'm just gonna do what I like, but it will probably have a bit more of a study focus, you know, starting with this one. But yeah, you know, you gotta have a desk. Just step one, you know, of becoming a successful student, I guess. More plastic. Okay, so the thing is, this desk will be held up by these two bits, but also by a little drawer thingy. Oh my god, I should probably do that first. I don't know what to do. Fun fact, also, I just realized we don't have a chair at the desk because it's still at my parents' house, because we're using my old desk chair. I guess I can just use a chair from the living room for now. This desk is for my boyfriend and me, which you might wonder, like, how are you gonna do that? You know, it's just one desk with one chair. But I think since we have quite opposing schedules, we can make it work, and otherwise we'll just have to fight for it, really. I don't know. Problem. More cardboard. More cardboard. More cardboard. I'm someone who always reads the manual first, so, you know, being the real student here. For those of you who don't know, which is literally everyone. Well, I said it in the introduction, but I never really talked about my school, uni, education life, which is pretty big, which is pretty much my whole life besides YouTube. I started doing an English language and culture bachelor degree 2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago. So now I am starting my third year of this bachelor degree, which is the last year, so I'm gonna be graduating in July, I guess. I started with the intention of doing literature, with really focusing on literature, but I soon discovered linguistics, which is really fun, I think, and very interesting. So I am specializing in linguistics. For the last year, I've pretty much been doing linguistics only. I am not doing any literature anymore. That's really the thing you have to choose with this degree. You have to choose either literature or linguistics, at least in Utrecht, where I study Utrecht University. I've been only doing linguistics, and this year I will be continuing that. But I will also be writing my thesis, I guess you call it, dissertation, I don't know, it's just like a research paper, pretty big deal, you know, you gotta pass that. I will be kind of starting it already in a week with all the preparation and stuff, and then I will be writing it in like November, December, January there. So I'm also going to do a minor in cognition, so that's kind of related to linguistics. I'm really interested in like brainy stuff, if that makes sense. And I have to choose a master's, which is, you know, kind of intense. So, that's my life. There you go, if anyone was interested, now you know that about me. Anyway, let's continue building. Okay, I think I'm just gonna build, because if I will keep recording this will literally take at least 10 years. And
we don't have time for that.
I'll see you when there's something then. Okay, anyway. Literally 2 seconds after I stopped the camera, I just realized I put this the wrong way around. Like I should be putting these ones here in a hole. There is no hole because I just can't do anything with my life. What? First part is done. It is a bit wonky though, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. The door is also a bit weird, like it should be a bit more closed. Okay,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Oh hey! I'm just doing homework. I need to decorate because it's just very empty, very white. Now I do also have my desk lamp at home with my parents, and I only have another IKEA light which is also white. But you know, I need a break because this was very intense. Pretty much the whole desk fell, and you know, we're just gonna not look at this corner because I think I can cry when I look at that. I don't think that was there when it arrived. I tried. Perfect fits, of course. Great, okay. That was it for the video. I don't know why I just slapped the desk. Just gonna cover up this corner. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and being on this IKEA journey with me. Also, disclaimer, I would have loved to go to IKEA to get this beautiful desk and not have to like let like the post come and deliver it, you know. Okay, that was very difficult to say. Anyway, but I don't have a car, so you kind of have to. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a little like if you liked it. Obviously, duh. I would also love for you to subscribe because, you know, I would love for you to be a part of my little YouTube family, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye! Shh, don't tell anyone.